Good evening, welcome BB Beers, and it's kind of late. Got to keep it quiet for working people are sleeping while I'm making videos. What a day. Anyway, had to go down and have a title change on a vehicle. Went pretty good. Then all the drama started with, let me just say, somebody not of my sex. And it's not just one of them, and it's a bunch of them. And it's crazy. High school again. Anyway, folks, so we are going to $30,000. So, you want to buy now? $26,228 will get you a Bitcoin. That's nothing, right? 28 grand or 26 grand. It's going to 30. It's going to go to 36. Okay, it's just that's what's going to happen. It could drop. We could hit 21,000, something like that. But as soon as everybody pulls profits, gets all their balance sheets adjusted, everything looks good, they're going to pounce on it. Bitcoin's disappearing. Pretty soon it's going to be under 2 million left of the 21 million. Really, of which is 17 million, because 4 million of them were lost out of ignorance. So you don't want to do that. Really been doing a lot of sideways action for over the weekend. Had a few ups and downs. Just looking over, this chart going back to Christmas, or a little before Christmas. Probably show better on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, around Christmas, right before Christmas. Had a good up, really got a good pump. Christmas Day was awesome, fabulous. And then we got to the 27th, and then we started hitting some consolidation. So it's just consolidations, all it is. The volume right here, this is high volume. You can see high volume, peak, high volume, drop, high green volume, drop. Doesn't matter what color the volume is. I mean, if you got a high volume, you're going to have a high peak or a high drop. So, anyway, we are right about, well, in the 1 hour, we are right on the 20-day exponential average. So, that's good. We're not below it. Let's move over to the good charts. And, oh, by the way, hey, a nice, fabulous, wonderful person like me, strangely enough, is having a New Year's party at, it's at 1960, and it's $25 to get in. It's at 1954 FM 1960 West, Houston, and it's $25 to get in. They're gonna have all kind of bands, music, champagne. If you want VIP treatment, it costs you extra. So you can go visit her site, Kim Rainey. Kind of started off as a tumultuous thing with us, but we've kind of become, we have a very lot in common. So she does a lot of artists, sets up concerts, group events, and all kinds of stuff. So she's fabulous. So check her out. Come to the party, man. I'm going to party down and Uber out. Let's look at the chart going back to December 11th. So, 2 weeks before Christmas. Since then, we're up 50%. So, 3 weeks, 50%. Not too bad, really. If we want to take it to Christmas, Where are you? Yeah. Christmas, yeah. And Christmas Day, day after went up 10%, so that was pretty good. So since then, going sideways, no big deal. So let's take a look at the RSI and, on the hourly and the Stokes, all the indicators I look at. RSI on the 1 hour is trending way down, so we're going down, so it could be a good buy opportunity. 2 hour RSI, a little higher. 3 hour RSI, up to 52, which is getting better. Now we're going to be almost at the bullish line, right about 70. So it's well, actually it popped above. It's going to pop above it. It's going to go back down and back up and then break down. So we're going to see some ups and downs, and then 24-hour period we should see it pop back up. So yeah, we're going to see some down. It's a good chance for it's only probably about a, I don't know, several $100 swing. I mean, it's kind of really hard. I don't know, maybe more like $700, $800 swing. So it's tradable. I mean, if you're a scalper like me and you want to scalp it, scalp it. I'm not a options or short or long person. I've done it once or twice. It's not really my thing, but it probably will be because people are getting rich off of it. Okay, looking at the Stokes 1 hourly, way down, hit bottom, is bouncing back up on the 2 hour, shooting back down on 2 hours. So we're going to look for some more downtrend here. We're looking at 26.3. We could get into 25, possibly by morning. Stokes pop it up in 6 more hours though. That's going to be morning. So and then 12 hours, which is going to be around noon. Tomorrow we're going to be looking at Stokes getting ready to cross the line up above the bullish control line, which will hit in 1 day from now, according to these charts. But who knows. MACD looking good. I know Crown doesn't put a lot of weight on the MACD. It's hard to read sometimes because it really doesn't give you direction so much. I don't believe. I mean, we're getting direction downward on the 4 hour, 6 hour, the 3 hour. Came back up on the 6 hour, then going back, heading back down, and then on very briefly touches down, and then on the 12 hour starts to bounce back up, and then here we go, boom. On the day, it's looking good on that. Hatch ribbon rate. Let's see what date we are here. That's way back there. That's a long time ago there. It was the weekly 14th, so I really don't have any signal on anything on that one. I got a better chart on this one that shows the buys a lot better. We'll probably swing over there. BitMEX funding, which usually means a drop in price, and I haven't seen the funding rate go below 0 except for over here, December 5th. I haven't seen it go below. Went below, yep, December 5th. And if we go back to November, ever since then, the funding rate is been pretty well above the 0 line. So, which means funding has been high, which means they're going to reconsolidate their funding, relook at things, and say, hey, everything's looking good. We're going to pump it up some more. So that's what's going to happen, folks. Okay, let's see if this other chart down here is any better on this buy signal chart. What date are we on here? December 20th, 28th. We have consolidation phase. Last buy we had was December 23rd, 24th, 25th, right before Christmas, right before the bump. Right before the bump. Buy right here, bump. So we got a big down right here. There's a consolidation going on right here, which is exactly what's happening. I mean, it's a consolidation. Okay, let's look at 12 hour. Okay, consolidation. Yep, we got consolidation all the way to 27, 28. So that will probably continue until tomorrow. And yes, last buy signal was right before Christmas. And today we are in consolidation phase. If we see this green dip a lot lower, we will get a buy signal on this one. So anyway, I'm looking to get some more charts from maybe Crown, or there's a couple other people out there that have them, or I can buy them on TradingView. They have charts you can buy, but or I just may upgrade. I don't know. I gotta make some money on some things, and I got that working, so I'm not worried about it. I never worry about money. Here's the yellow EMA. You can see we're over. That's on the 12 hour. That's on the weekly though. Yeah, on the hourly we've gone below it. Okay, so on the hourly we're below it. 2 hours we are riding right along it. 3 hours below it. Right about even at 4 hours. 6 hours we are back above it. 12 hours we are back above it. Daily we are way back above it. So next 24 hours could be your buy opportunity. It may never ever come again. Just think about it. Really think about it. Buy one Bitcoin. It's going to cost you $30,000. Okay? In 2018, I paid $3,800 a Bitcoin. Okay? I'm not telling you how many I bought. Nobody will ever know. And anyway, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not a technical chart reader. I'm an IT guy with 27 years experience with figuring out variables and problems. So day trading is not for me. I can't day trade. I'm crappy at it. I admit it. Bitcoin, I'm good at. I haven't lost money at Bitcoin ever. Never, ever. So it's made me several years' salary easily, and it's going to do a lot more. So, you know, all the people out there, you know, thinking, oh, you're crazy and that's a pipe dream and it's never going to happen. Look at all of them that said it, like Warren Buffett and the guy that just put $600 million into it, PayPal, Amazon, Facebook, everybody else talking about getting into Bitcoin. It's where it's at, man. So if you can't see that now, you better hurry up. Unless you got, you know, I don't know, 200 grand maybe to spend if you want to get rich. But I mean, I don't want to get rich. I just want to pay my bills. So that's all I'm doing. So anyway, shout out to Kimmy for being so nice. I appreciate it. I hope you get to see this video, and hope you watch. And hey, maybe it's something you might be interested in. You know, look forward to meeting you. I really like to sit down and discuss how you got where you are, considering the similarities of our upbringing in a way, and appreciate it. Anyway, y'all have a good night. I've been off a while. I've been out hunting, and plus the holidays and stuff, and just took a little time off because everything was going sideways. It wasn't doing anything, so I wasn't going to bother messing with making